Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give vitamin D3 drops for baby step by step. Place the baby comfortably, ensure the dropper tip is clean, and confirm the correct dose. Gently tilt the head back slightly and hold steady. Administer drops inside the cheek pocket to minimize spitting. Wait a moment before offering a bottle or breastfeeding. Track administration time each day to maintain consistency and avoid missed doses. Make sure the medicine is at room temperature and the label matches the pediatrician's directions. Wash your hands thoroughly and assemble a clean cloth or burp cloth nearby. Measure the exact number of drops using the provided dropper, avoiding air bubbles. If the dropper is confusing, ask your pediatrician or pharmacist for a demonstration. Prepare the baby by calming them and ensuring they are awake enough to swallow the drops properly. Hold the baby securely and tilt the head back a touch to open the mouth naturally. Place the dropper against the inner cheek and squeeze slowly, keeping drops off the tongue to reduce choking risk. Speak calmly and soothe the baby during and after giving drops, using a gentle pat or cuddle. If the dose is spit out immediately, contact your pediatrician for guidance before redosing. Log each dose for consistency and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.